In honor of Liberia's independence, this month of July we will be posting all Liberian food. If you want to learn how to make this delicious Liberian pepper snail, stay tuned. Keep on watching. Welcome back to another cooking video with Mixed Chop. Today we'll be learning how to make some Liberian pepper snails. We have our snails, our bell peppers. I have the red and the yellow. We have 2 Maggi cubes, half an onion, our chili peppers, vegetable oil, garlic powder, and lastly we have our parsley. So next we're going to chop up our bell peppers and our onion to blend. I'm going to cut this pepper so we're able to saute these with some onions. I'm going to put this in here to blend, and I'm just going to cut the other ones so we're able to saute as well. Also going to add our chilies to the blend, and I'm going to add half a Maggi cube to this as well, and I'm going to put this much water to blend. I will be blending my this off camera. And added some vegetable oil to our pot. We're gonna add our onions. We're also gonna add our red bell peppers, and we're gonna saute these. I'm going to add some black pepper to my saute, and also a pinch of salt. And we're going to mix that. And we're just going to let this saute for like 2 to 3 minutes, and then we're going to move to our next step. After our 2 to 3 minutes is up, we're gonna take our sauteed onions and pepper out of the pot. Next, we're just gonna add just a little bit vegetable oil to our pot because we're gonna make a sauce for a snail. Here's our blended mix, and I'm gonna add we're gonna mix this in, and we're just gonna let this cook and fry in the oil for a couple minutes. After that couple minutes, I'm gonna add some garlic powder to this, and I'm also going to add some black pepper. Just a little. We're just gonna mix that in. I'm gonna add the rest of our half of Maggi to this. I'm just gonna squeeze it in. And I'm gonna mix this. Next, I'm gonna add our snail. I went ahead and boiled the snail off camera. This snail, when it was brought from Liberia, it was smoked. They had to dry it before transporting it here, so that's why it looks like that. I'm gonna add this here. I'm gonna I'm just gonna mix that in so it absorbs all of the season and pepper. After that couple minutes, we're gonna add the rest of our our sauteed onions and pepper to this. And we're gonna mix this very nicely. And your snail is ready to be served. Here's the final look of your Liberian style pepper snail. I hope you enjoyed watching this video, and if you did, please give us a thumbs up. And if you tried this recipe at home, please comment in the section below, and also follow us on all of our social media platforms. Thanks for watching. See you in the next video.